just to set the mood, we are all sitting here in the hallway because there's a tornado.
Love you, Mom.
In this grade. Yes. There's a tornado on your birthday. That's God's gift to you, Katie. That's what we kiss you right now.
No, I refuse.
There was these people building a church in Gulfport, right? And it was a big, ugly church that looked like a warehouse. And so it got hit by a tornado, right? So then they start building it again, and it still looks like a warehouse. And then it gets smashed by the hurricane. And now they're building it again, and it looks really, really pretty. And so a tornado came through last year, totally missed it. That is so awesome.
Apparently, God wants His churches to be
Happy
friends.
birthday to you.
That's the blessing we get.
Happy birthday to you. You look just like a monkey, and you smell like one too. No, you don't. How it do?
Not it.
Not it. Playground rules apply. If not, that is anarchy. Hello. And I really don't like that grade. And I did not just put that out of it. And nobody saw that.
What did I not see?